Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today, get ready for pure power, precision, and real heavy-duty performance on the worksite. We are watching the incredible CAT 352F and the legendary CAT 375 excavators in action, loading Mercedes and MAN trucks with perfect four-pass efficiency. These are not just machines. They are workhorses built to move massive material with accuracy and speed. So sit back, relax, and enjoy some real-world construction magic. The CAT 352F is known for its high hydraulic power, smooth control, and fuel-efficient performance. Every bucket movement is clean, controlled, and perfectly balanced. Operators love this machine because it responds instantly, even under heavy pressure. On the other side, the CAT 375 is a classic giant, a proven monster in the earth-moving world. When it digs, the bucket just disappears into the ground, and when it lifts, it feels like the material weighs nothing. Together, these two machines form a powerful combination on the job site. Watch how the operator positions the CAT 352F with total precision. One scoop, swing, load, all in one smooth motion. 4 passes later, the Mercedes truck is filled and ready to roll. This is real skill, because 4-pass loading saves fuel, saves time, and keeps productivity high. Every second counts on sites like this. The faster the truck is loaded, the more cycles the crew completes, and that means more material moved in a day. Now shift your eyes to the CAT 375. This excavator has raw muscle. Its big bucket means fewer scoops and faster truck turnaround. The operator controls it like a part of his own body. No wasted movement, no jerky motions, just clean digging and perfect dumping. You can literally see the difference in the power stroke when it breaks through compact material. That's why CAT machines are trusted in mining, road work, and big commercial projects worldwide. Mercedes and MAN trucks are built for serious loads, and here they get filled fast. The operators are careful not to spill or overload, keeping the weight balanced for safe travel. Skilled operators know that filling trucks isn't just about speed, it's about precision. One wrong move and material falls everywhere, but these pros make it look easy. What makes this video satisfying is the teamwork between machine and operator. Heavy equipment might look simple to use, but it takes training, patience, and experience to reach this level. The bucket angles, swing timing, truck positioning, everything must work perfectly. When it does, the workflow becomes smooth like a well-tuned machine. If you love real excavation work, this video shows the heart of the job site. No sound effects, no animation, just real power, real steel, and real dirt. From the deep bucket cuts to the final smooth load, every second is proof of why Caterpillar machines are legends in the industry. Thank you for watching this powerful display of heavy machinery action. If you enjoyed the Cat 352F and Cat 375 working together, make sure to hit like, comment, and share. And don't forget to subscribe for more satisfying loading, mining, and construction content from around the world. Stay tuned, because more big machines are on the way. See you in the next video.